Section 1.1, example 1.5, finding the lower and upper sums. So find the lower sum for f of x is equal to 10 minus x squared from 1 to 2. Let n equal 4 sub-intervals. Okay, just like I did with the previous problem, let me sketch the graph really quick and I'll be back soon. Okay, so now that we have our graph, 4 sub-intervals, so 1, 2, 3, 4, how pretty. Find the lower sum. Okay, so lower sum, they're not actually asking for lower as in left, like a smaller number. What they're looking for is a smaller value. So looking at this first interval here, what side is lower? It looks like this right side's lower. So what we're going to use is the right side. So the lower sum is going to be our right, what is it called? The right endpoint approximation. So let's kind of make note of that. So lower sum, that's going to be our right endpoint in this case. So right, and I'm just going to abbreviate. So right endpoint. So let's grab that formula for the right endpoint approximation. So we're looking at area approximately right endpoint. Let's just make it for this problem. R4, that's going to be equal to, oh, we actually need to find our delta x. All right, let's find that one first. So delta x. So we have from b, or b minus a, 2 minus 1 divided by n, so divided by 4. So we have 1 over 4. We don't have to simplify it. There we go. So delta x is going to be our 1 over 4. Our area, which is going to be approximately R4. Let's factor out that delta x. So let's do 1 over 4. And let's find those values. So the first one, we're looking at x1. So in this case, we're going all the way up to 4. So x1, that's going to be f of a. So a started off at 1. 1 plus, we're adding 1 forward, so 1 over 4. That's 1. And let's find all 4 of them. F of 1 plus 1 over 4 times 2. F of 1 plus 1 over 4 times 3. The last one, f of 1 plus 1 over 4 times 4. And brackets to close everything up. 1 over 4. We're looking at f of 4 over 4. That's 5 over 4. Plus 4 over 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. F of 6 over 4, or 3 over 2. Plus f of, that's going to be 7 over 4. 8 over 4, which is 2. And now evaluating that. So f is a little more complicated than the previous one, but we can still do it. So 10 minus x squared. So here we have 10 minus 5 over 4 squared plus 10 minus 3 over 2 squared plus 10 minus 7 over 4 squared plus 10 minus 2 squared. Here, our algebra, wow, I need to learn how to talk. Our algebra skills are kicking in. So this is where I might make a mistake. You guys let me know. 9 over 4. 9 minus 49 over over 16. 10 minus 4. So with the tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Minus, let's get the 16, so 25 and 49. And it's 4. What is that? 6, 7, 74 over 16. And then minus our 4s. We have 9, just 9. Yep. So 9 over 4, and then minus 4. So we have a little bit to do here. 40 minus 4, 36. Minus, actually we could simplify this. That goes into that 2 times. We'll say that's 8 and 37. So this will be 8 and 18. So 37, 18, that's 5. Or 55 over 8. Nine minus 32 over 55. And let's see what that is. Here. 9 minus 55 over 32. Does it match my notes? It matches my notes. No mistakes here. So 2.28125. And there we go. Again, to sum it all up, they were asking for lower sum. In this specific problem, the lower ended up being the right side for each of these boxes. So like for this box, that was lower. This box, that was lower. Here, lower. Here, lower. All right, so lower sum there, and that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.